What paint do I use for a cement water fountain? Over time, concrete fountains naturally weather, according to the Lawn Ornaments and Fountains website. As a result, painted surfaces may begin to strip and crack. The key to a successful restoration project is proper preparation and painting. Latex paint. The Lawn Ornaments and Fountains website recommends using an outdoor, latex paint for painting concrete fountains. Cleaning. Before painting a cement water fountain, it is important to remove residue from the surface of the fountain, according to the Refinish Furniture website. Allow the surface to dry completely before painting. Paint will not adhere properly to a dirty fountain. Required coats. At least 3 coats of latex paint are necessary to completely seal the concrete fountain. According to the Lawn Ornaments and Fountains website, a thick application of latex paint helps protect the fountain against weathering.